when your lawnmower just don't want to start, check your air filter, because air filter can clog up. So here's the old air filter, and there's the new air filter. Look at that. Ain't that something? Ooh-wee. Look at that. That's pretty. The old original. I've had that lawnmower for 2 years and never changed this thing. So anyway, if your lawnmower just don't want to start, this might be the first thing you want to check. And look at that. Get that nice and clean. Look. Pretty clean, nice. Wonderful. Look at this. Oh, gross. Can't even see light through it. Okay. So, I'm going to put that back in the lawnmower and get busy.